Hi boys and girls, welcome back. Today we are going to do another word play. Today our sentence is going to have the short U in it. All right, boys and girls, look at the picture at the top. Our sentence today is, the pup can run fast. All right, I'm going to draw our dashes as you clap the words in our sentence. Here we go. The pup can run fast. All right, let's count how many words we had in our sentence. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so I need to get out 5 sentence frames. Okay, I have out 5 sentence frames. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in our punctuation. So now I need to put them in order. So I'm going to move my 1 with this tall part at the beginning here to remind us that our capital letter goes at the beginning of the sentence. Then I'm going to put the others just in order after it. You can see that I didn't have enough room here, so I put the next frame underneath it. All right, so now we're going to write the sentence into our frames. The very first word in our sentence was the. That's a popcorn word, T-H-E. You can see that I did remember to start with a capital letter. The next word is pup. Remember, I like to go back and check. The pup. So let's get our sounds out hands ready, and let's say the sounds in pup. P, p. The first sound is p. That's P, pan, p. P, you up, p, p. And another P. Very good. Let's go back and check. The pup can, let's sound that out, k, very good. The pup can run. Sound out, hands up. Let's check. The pup can run fast. Now I know fast has 4 sounds in it, so let's stretch it out first. Fast. Now let's say the sounds. F-a-s-t. Did you hear all 4 sounds? The first sound was f. Very good. And what does this box remind me at the end? It reminds me to put in my punctuation. All right, so let's read my sentence. The pup can run fast. I started with my uppercase letter and I ended with my punctuation. I'll catch up with you again soon, boys and girls. Bye-bye.